Excited, visionary, and technical. The tone should feel like a brilliant engineer showing you a secret prototype. The pace should build from simple automation to complex, mind-blowing autonomy. Let's review the stack. Part 1. The truth engine knows what your customers want. Part 2. The AI spy knows what your competitors are doing. Part 3. The time manufacturer has given your team the focus to act. You have the strategy. You have the time. But who is doing all the repetitive work? Who's sending the welcome email? Who's updating the CRM? Who is checking if the new customer logged in? Who's following up? Right now, it's you or your expensive, talented employees. They are still trapped doing this. We're still doing high-level manual labor. It's a waste of human potential. Today, we're ending that. We are moving from planning the work to automating the work itself. But not just automation. We're going one level deeper. We're building autonomy. This is part 4, the perfect employee factory.
Excited, visionary, and technical. The tone should feel like a brilliant engineer showing you a secret prototype. The pace should build from simple automations to complex, mind-blowing autonomy. When most people hear automation, they think of Zapier. They think, if this happens, then do that. When I get a Gmail, post it to Slack. That's if this, then that. That's automation 1.0. It's a simple, dumb command. It can't make a decision. The secret strategy is to build agentic AI workflows. We're going to use a node-based tool like N8N, which is like Zapier's open-source genius older brother. We're not building a command. We are building a digital employee, an AI agent that can receive a task, understand it, make decisions, and take different actions based on new information. Let's build one right now. We'll build the AI Customer Onboarding Agent. Step 1. The trigger. It's blank. Let's start. The first node is Stripe Payment Received. A new customer just paid you. Now, what does your human employee do? They copy the info and send the generic welcome email, right? Our AI agent is smarter. Step 2. The AI Personalization Node. The agent takes the new customer's email. Let's say it's jane@acmeconstruction.com. The agent sends that domain, acmeconstruction.com, to a GPT-4 node with a prompt. What is this company's industry? Give me a one-word answer. The AI replies, construction. The agent now knows the customer's industry. Step 3. The personalized action. The agent drafts a welcome email, but it dynamically inserts a personalized line. Hi, Jane, welcome aboard. As a leader in the construction industry, we know you'll find our project management feature especially useful. This one personalized line just doubled your customer activation rate. No human was involved. But this is where it gets really crazy. Step 4. The wait and the decision. Your human employee would just forget. Our AI agent doesn't. We add a wait node. Wait for 2 days. After 48 hours, the agent wakes up. It goes to step 5, the if branch. It connects to your database and asks a question. Did Jane log in? This is the autonomy. It's making a decision. Step 6a, the yes path. If the answer is yes, the agent autonomously sends a second, different email. Hey Jane, awesome to see you're active. As a power-up, here is a 1-minute video on tip number 1. Step 6b, the no path. But if the answer is no, the agent knows this customer is high risk. It sends a completely different email. Hey Jane, we noticed you haven't logged in. Are you having trouble? Just reply to this email or check out this 1-minute quick start video. Step 7, the human escalation. The agent waits another 2 days. It checks again. Still no login. The agent now knows it has failed. It's time to get a human. It automatically connects to your sales team's CRM, creates a task for a human named Dave, and assigns it urgent. Call Jane at acmeconstruction.com. She is high risk of churning. Here is her full profile. That is not an automation. That is an autonomous digital employee that worked for you 24/7, handled the complex multi-step process, personalized its communication, made conditional decisions, and knew exactly when to escalate a problem to a human. It is the perfect, scalable, $0 an hour employee. And you can build thousands of them. You can build an AI prospecting agent that scrapes 100 new websites, qualifies them, writes personalized first lines, and puts them in a draft folder for your sales team. You can build an AI e-commerce agent that monitors for one-star reviews, uses AI to understand if the complaint is about shipping or quality, and automatically routes it to the right department with the correct apology discount code. This is the real future of AI in business. It's not about prompts. It's about building systems. It's about building agents. This is part 4 of a 5-part series. We are building the entire AI-powered business stack. If you're serious about this, if you want this advantage, hit that subscribe button, because we have one final critical piece left. You've decoded your customer. You spied on your competitor. You've manufactured your time. And now you've built your AI workforce. Your entire business is a well-oiled machine, except for one thing: your website, your most important salesperson. And right now, it is silently leaking money every hour from conversion-killing bugs that you and your dev team don't even know exist. Tomorrow, in the final part, we're going to hunt them down. We're building the conversion killer hunter. You don't want to miss this.